Hey there. Let me tell you a little bit about what a Declutter Power Hour is. In one focused hour on Zoom, you can take any small task that you've been putting off, decluttering, organizing, productivity, anything at all. I can support you with procrastination, decluttering, organizing, productivity, mindfulness, and eliminating negative self talk. If you don't believe that anything can be accomplished in 1 hour, here are just a few things that attendees of last month's Power Hour accomplished. One person completed a professional certification that she had been putting off for 6 months. One person completed a tax document that she had been putting off. And another person got started on sorting through and recycling paperwork. So, if you've got a project like that you've been procrastinating, join us for decluttering, organizing, or getting rid of anything that's on your to do list that you really, really just want to be done with.